So, hi, dear Leo. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. The roles can be reversed also, and if it is not like resonating, it's not your story, honey. Just leave this reading then. Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in description below. For personal readings and healing sessions, you can check out the description box and book your slots. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given in the description box below. Let's start. Leo, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the Ace of Pentacles. So someone out there, someone could be a new person, a new energy who is interested in you, is feeling like having something stable like with you, like offer you something stable. They feel like that. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles. We have the Seven of Wands, the Three of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. So someone here is feeling like, wow, they feel like they should come towards you with a very stern kind of energy of like, see, this is what I have for you. So someone here is kind of not ready for a heartbreak, not ready for another heartbreak. So they feel like they should remain practical, that even if you're going to reject the idea of being with them, they should not get hurt by that. Wow. It's like I'm in love with you, but when I feel I should come forward towards you, I come with this idea of even if you're going to reject them, I don't care. So this is what they're feeling. So someone is very clear that they feel like having something beautiful, something stable with you, but at the same time they feel like they should remain practical, that even if you're going to reject them, it's not going to bother them much. Wow. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Four of Wands. So you feel like enjoying your life to the fullest and creating a stable base for your love and relationship area, leading to commitment eventually. Okay. So, okay, goal is the same here. Let's see. Let's clarify the Four of Wands. Okay, let's see. We have the Page of Wands, the Eight of Wands, the Seven of Cups. Yeah. See, you feel like talking to multiple energies, keeping your options open and enjoying your life to the fullest, enjoying your love and relationship area to the fullest, and finding the best out of those, which can eventually lead to something stable on the table. Sorry, for some of you, you feel like talking to multiple people at the same time. You feel like opening up yourself to multiple energies, multiple people, multiple experiences. That's how you are going to eventually find the one for you. For others of you, you feel like talking to one person all the time, multiple times with multiple angles, and understanding whether this one is the one for you or not. Take it how it resonates with you, but you are ready to explore and you feel like open to call in your soulmate. Hmm. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Huh. Their intention is to make this work out only if you are also ready to make this work out. Eight of Pentacles in reverse is like not taking it too seriously. It's like, if you want to work on this, good, we can. If not, it's okay, let it go. Wow. Their attitude is very casual regarding the situation. I don't see them being a playboy or playgirl or something like that. No. I do see them being very much cautious and casual. Let's clarify the Eight of Pentacles in reverse here, honey. We have the Empress, the Three of Cups, and the Death card. It's like they want growth and expansion, but before that, they want you to be totally free for them only. If you're not exclusively available for them, they don't want to go in this direction and forcibly want to make this work out and something. So somebody around you wants you to focus on them only, wants you to put in the effort and energy from your side also in this connection so that it can work out. so that you guys can have growth and expansion. But if you are with multiple people, multiple energies, not interested in them exclusively, they don't want to be in this deal anymore. It's like a deal breaker for them or something. Yeah. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Five of Pentacles. So from your side, you just want to get out of this feeling lost and confused in your love and relationship area and do something about it in order to get back on track. Okay, let's clarify the Five of Pentacles here, honey. If you're also getting a little irritated by the background noises, I'm really sorry, but we don't have electricity right now in my house, so bear with me. I'm in Mumbai, by the way. It's not cold out here. We have the Four of Swords and the King of Cups and the Emperor. So you want to heal yourself properly in order to get the right person in your life so that you can make things work out with them. Basically, you want to keep the charge of your life in your own hands, and you want to attract love in a very healed and promising and caring and compassionate kind of manner. Okay, not in this energy of you want to be with somebody just for the sake of being with somebody. No, you want to take love and relationship seriously, and you want to go for the best only when you are going to be completely healed and when you are going to be completely ready to move forward to the next step. So basically, you feel like opening up to multiple people, multiple energies, but you are going to go to the next level only when you are going to feel completely ready for that. Very, very good. So, so proud of you about this, Leo. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 2nd of Feb, honey. Six of Swords. It's like moving on towards calmer water, but still carrying a lot of past baggages with you and trying to let go of those baggages. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Swords in order to get the clear picture. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords. See, you will be continuously working on clearing the air for yourself, clearing the environment for yourself, letting go of manipulative people, manipulative energies, liars, cheaters, secret keepers, and those who betrayed you or those who have the tendency to betray you. It's like cleaning the space. Hmm? You will be continuously putting in the effort and energy in this direction of cleaning the space for yourself and slowly but surely letting go of people, situations, or things that you know are not good for you or are not going to work out for you in any manner, right? So it's like cleaning. For Leos, it's time for cleaning the closet to make room for new clothes, new outfits. That's what you are going to do. So the past baggages that you're still carrying with you, you will be continuously and consciously working on letting them go, making room for the new. Very good. Fantastically beautiful reading. For you, the guidance here is the Queen of Pentacles. Stay grounded. Stay grounded. Stay grounded means you might get overwhelmed from time to time with this energy of I'm doing so much for myself, but I'm not getting the results. You are getting the results, you are not able to see them right now. That's the thing, honey. The results are just around the corner, they're already there. You just have to reach their frequency. And while reaching their frequency, that frequency of meeting your desire halfway, sorry, not halfway, meeting your desire completely, you have to go through certain challenges and ups and downs. Be ready to face them. So stay grounded and keep on reminding yourself just that you are on the right track, you're on the right path. It's just a matter of time, it's just a matter of meeting the divine timing. Hmm? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.